Hi friends, it's Dr. Blake, the Cooking Doc. And as we wind down 2020, I thought it would be good to take a minute and look back at 2020 because 2020 was a hard year. It was the toughest year that I can remember. And the main reason it was tough, of course, was COVID-19. But what COVID-19 did, it seemed to, not only did it exacerbate a lot of the existing problems that everybody had, but it brought to light that we as a society need to do better in so many ways. You know, I talk to my patients who have kidney disease, and it's not just the coronavirus that they're dealing with. They're dealing with health problems. They're dealing with anxiety and depression. They're dealing with food insecurity. They're dealing with family members who are sick. They're dealing with poverty. They're dealing with trying to skate by day to day without anyone to hold them up and any support. And it's really hard. So, you know, you think about, well, 2021 is going to be better when COVID's gone, and it will be. But we've got a lot of issues that we need to work on as a society. And the resilience that people have is, it's hard to imagine. I mean, as a kidney doctor, I see the people who are dealing with some of the greatest health challenges that anybody will ever face. I have one patient. She's got kidney disease on dialysis. She lives with her daughter who has MS, and her grandchild has cerebral palsy. And she doesn't complain. I don't know how she does it. But I hear stories like this over and over and over again in my practice. And it's, all I can say is that people are amazing. One day going through my schedule, and I understand the challenges that people face go well beyond COVID-19. And it puts things into perspective for the difficulties that I have to deal with every day. And, you know, one of the things that I try to do when improving my health and wellness and thinking about how other people can improve their health and wellness is thinking about loving kindness. And loving kindness is a little meditation that I like to do in the morning sometimes. And I'm going to try to remember the mantra here, because you start with yourself and then you expand it to your friends, your family, to people you don't know, and to even your enemies. And I'm going to say to you, may you be healthy, happy, peaceful, and prosperous. May no harm come to you. May no difficulties come to you. May no problems come to you. May you always meet with success. May you have patience, virtue, understanding, and determination to meet and overcome all of life's problems, challenges, and difficulties. So for 2021, let's wish loving kindness, metta, to you, to your family, to me and my family, to everyone out there who we don't know, to people we like and people we dislike. There are ways that we can make 2021 better for everybody, with or without COVID-19. I sure as hell hope that COVID-19 goes away and never comes back. But if it doesn't go away as quickly as we hope, we can make things better by looking out for each other, supporting each other, and offering hope for the future. Thank you.